Assalamualaikum semua. Wah, ramainya kawan-kawan Oma
dan Hana
di Genius Aulad. Jom belajar di Genius Aulad. Alhamdulillah.
Assalamualaikum children. Welcome to class English at Ease with Teacher Aisha. Let's start. Today we are going to learn revision blending sound of O, E, I, A, O and I. E, tree. A, leaf. O, road. O, broom. I, nail. I, crayon. I, rain. A, beans. E, cheese. O, boat. I, tail. I, pail. Masya Allah, excellent. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum. Bye.